नमस्कार, बहुत बहुत स्वागत है आप सबका हमारे इस विशेष कार्यक्रम में। कुछ लोगों का जीवन साधना ही होता है, यानी उनके जीवन का हर पल वो इस तरह से जीते हैं कि अपने लक्ष्यों को तो हासिल कर ही सके, बड़े मुकाम हासिल कर सके, लेकिन उसके बाद देश और समाज में भी बदलाव का ऐसा वाहक बन जाएं कि दुनिया उन्हें सलाम करे। आज हमारे साथ एक ऐसी ही महिला है जो स्लम्स में पली बड़ी हुई, लेकिन आज पूरा देश उन्हें सलाम कर रहा है क्योंकि उन्होंने कैंसर के क्षेत्र में ऐसा नाम कमाया और स्लम से आगे बढ़कर अपनी जिंदगी में डॉक्टर बनकर, सर्जन बनकर एक ऐसा मुकाम हासिल किया कि आज वो समाज बदल रही हैं। हमारे साथ हैं डॉक्टर विजयलक्ष्मी देशमाने। डॉक्टर देशमाने, बहुत बहुत स्वागत आपका।
नमस्ते जी।
और आपको बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं, पद्मश्री मिल रहा है आपको।
थैंक यू सो मच। या great gesture from our government, central government, especially Modi ji sir.
पद्मश्री एक ऐसा पुरस्कार है जिसको हासिल करने के लिए लोगों की जिंदगी बीत जाती है, इतना काम करते हैं लोग, तब जाकर अब सरकार ऐसे आपके जैसे गुमनाम नायकों को पहचान रही है। पहले ऐसा नहीं होता था, लेकिन अब आप जैसे लोगों को, जिन्होंने अपनी जिंदगी समाज के लिए लगा दी, आप जैसे लोगों को पुरस्कार मिल रहा है। जब आपको ये घोषणा हुई, जबकि आपको ये मिल रहा है पुरस्कार, आपका पहला रिएक्शन क्या था?
मेरा पहला रिएक्शन, आई वॉज इन माई नेटिव प्लेस कलबुर्गी in my brother house. Oh, from the home ministry I got the call, and before that they were collecting information about me in Kalburgi. I overheard it. They are collecting information about our family background and all that. So this used to happen with my father earlier, because he's a freedom fighter. He was freedom fighter from Kalburgi. So for any program, having some high tea program and all before the Independence Day and all that, they used to collect the information of our family, to invite my father. So I got the sense there is something is going to happen from the central government.
Okay.
That was in my mind. When I got the call from the home ministry, I said something definite is going to happen. And it's very nice of him, from the home ministry. They called me and said that you were getting the Padma Award. I was in tears. I was in tears, a very, very wonderful experience. लाइफ एक्सपीरियंस, आई शुड से।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल ठीक कहा आपने, लाइफ टाइम एक्सपीरियंस, क्योंकि ऐसे पल जिंदगी में कभी कभी ही आते हैं और इसी तरह का एक पल आपके लिए भी रहा है। डॉक्टर देशमाने, आपका पूरा जीवन एक उदाहरण है कि कैसे आप जहां भी हैं वहां से खड़े हो सकते हैं, लेकिन आपका बचपन कैसा था?
बचपन, अम्मा my mother used to sell the fruits and vegetable under the tree, huge neem tree. It was a famous, that selling fruits and shop selling that whatever was their kacha thing on the road, vegetables and fruits she used to sell. And it was the only shop, very popular. So that whole area, Gajipura area, was dependent. Lingayat people, they live there. They're vegetarians, highly, they dependent on our fruits and vegetable shop. So they used to wait. Amma used to go early morning. My mother used to go early morning to the market. Myself and my brother Ajay. Ajay became the lawyer. So both of us, we used to start the shop. When mother went to the, all the time to get again to the wholesale market to bring again the fruits and vegetables for the day. So we used to start, both of us. And, we used to hear that sound, that mother named Ratnama shop is opened. So people used to come to me, and maybe that language and all we learned there, sitting there in the shop. Communication with the people, with the society,
all those skills have helped you in your life, I must say. But Dr. Deshmane, you were living in a slum, selling vegetables. How did becoming a doctor is like a dream? Was it your dream that you want to become a doctor? एक डॉक्टर बनना क्या आपका सपना था उस वक्त?
ये पापा का सपना As a freedom fighter, he was well connected with the society, all the industrialists, business people, all politicians, all. He has grown up on the road, illiterate, but he learned the letters on his own. And he used to read so much, so much.
आपके पिताजी, your
Because
father.
my father, as a freedom fighter, so he knew, he gave me the insights at the age of, when I was a child, when I was a fifth standard student, the how world व्यवहार कैसे कैसे करते दुनिया का व्यवहार वो बताते मुझे ट्रांसैक्शन what will happen with the education, all that ideas. And when I was a fifth standard student, he said that you have to become a surgeon. Then I said, fine, that is all. Both conversation in between my father and myself, only this much. He
पर
said,
आपको कुछ पता था सर्जन होना क्या होता है, कुछ मतलब क्या होता है उस समय?
oh, maybe I must have overheard, he used to take, he was working in a textile mill as a laborer in Gulbarga. So we had the facility of ESI hospital. So he must have seen these surgeons, moving and all that. That must have given him, and his friends, daughter and sons, they were becoming the doctors. Then he experimented at me at home. So yes, and that has given all successful thing. I could manage the situation. Oh, Papa had a lot of contacts, so I have utilized his contacts maximum.
हाँ, लेकिन अब जबकि आपको पद्म श्री पुरस्कार मिला है, किसको डेडिकेट करते हैं आप? क्योंकि यहाँ तक जब आप पहुँची हैं तो जाहिर है बहुत से लोगों का योगदान रहा होगा, लेकिन किसको आप डेडिकेट करती हैं ये पुरस्कार?
For the Padma Award, I want to thank our President, Madam Murmu. I want to thank our beloved Prime Minister, Sri Narendra Bhai Modi ji. I want to thank our central government. To my knowledge, only royal families used to get the Padma Award. But I am told by some of the central ministers whom I know that they said it is Modi sir pickup that he has nominated you. That is what I heard. So I thank my central government for this beautiful award where, especially the media people all the time projected our family so well, so positive. Even media people contribution is there in this award. Yes, all the time, every time, whatever was happening around our family, media people were projecting our family very beautifully from the beginning. So that I thank media people also here, especially the DD News today. You got me here. What a wonderful event. This is lifetime event, I should say.
ये हमारे लिए भी एक सौभाग्य का क्षण है.
And I want to surrender this award to the Karnataka people who helped me at all levels in life, to to Kalburgi people who helped all along. Gold merchants used to help my mother. They used to tell, mother, it seems my father's son, they are not becoming the doctors, but your daughter is becoming the doctor. You want money at any time, you can take from the shop.
डॉक्टर देशपांडे, आपकी पर्सनल जर्नी में, व्यक्तिगत लाइफ में आपकी कौन से ऐसे किन लोगों को आप, ये जब मैं कहती हूँ कि पुरस्कार किन को डेडिकेट करती हैं, आपकी अपनी पर्सनल लाइफ में आप किन का रोल बहुत महत्वपूर्ण मानती हैं कि आप एक डॉक्टर बन सकें?
पिताजी का रोल नंबर 1, and mother also, a very sacrificing mother. She was so disciplined. Very, very, very nice madam. Amma, mother we had, very strict, very disciplined, and whatever she was earning, she used to give only to our education. Eight children at home. I became the surgeon. Brother became a very famous advocate, and he worked in KSFC as a deputy legal manager. He helped so many people in Gulbarga, all business people, industrials, politicians, all his clients. And my 5 sisters have become the, they have done the PhDs. They are working in different universities.
क्या बात है?
This is all because of that that shop, fruits and vegetables, I should say. And surrendering award further to the Kalburgi people who helped us all along when there was no food. When I left for Kidwai, there was no air, no food, no shelter, no clothes. I went to Kidwai hospital with zero thing. And now God has
मतलब
given
आपका
everything.
आपका मतलब खाने को इतना नहीं होता
Nothing,
था,
nothing, nothing.
ज्यादा कपड़े नहीं होते थे,
Nothing.
पैसे नहीं होते थे,
Nothing, zero.
जब आप, लेकिन आप ये जो डॉक्टर की पढ़ाई होती है डॉक्टर देशमाने, ये भी कम तो नहीं, सस्ती नहीं होती है, इसके लिए भी पैसा चाहिए होता है। किस तरह का संघर्ष आपकी फैमिली को करना पड़ा कि पैसे इकट्ठे कर सके, यू नो, अरेंजिंग मनी फॉर योर एजुकेशन?
Yeah. So what happened when I got the MBBS seat? There was severe drought 2 times happened.
सूखा पड़ा।
सूखा पड़ा, एकदम सूखा. Too much it was. Even millionaires were on the road. That was the status. So father and mother, both of them, they searched here and there. They asked with our relatives and all. Relatives were quite strong in financial wise. So they could not manage because of this drought, severe drought. 2 times happening. Once when I was in the 10th standard, when I was in PUC. So
तो उस अकाल की वजह से किसी के पास पैसे ही नहीं थे
था.
देने को। हाँ.
So both of them, they must have, discussed among themselves, father, mother. So after the mill work, father came around 5 o'clock. Then I was lying down there in the room. Then he came and asked mother, you give. Then she gave her Mangala Sutra for my admission. So I surrendered this award to the Karnataka people, Kalburgi people, Kidwai hospital.
So your mother gave that, I think, last ornament, उनका शायद आखिरी गहना होगा, क्योंकि एक मंगलसूत्र देना सबसे आखिरी निर्णय होता है एक महिला के लिए। उन्होंने आपकी शिक्षा के लिए वो दिया।
हाँ, and she gave very comfortably. Very, very beautiful mother we had.
आपकी मदर, आपके फादर दोनों पढ़े लिखे नहीं थे,
जो both illiterate.
तो आप ये कह सकते हैं आज कि शिक्षा के दम पर आपकी सारा परिवार, मतलब 8 भाई बहन, सारा परिवार उठ खड़ा हुआ शिक्षा के दम पर।
Yeah. So in my biography, I have written that education is therapy for the poverty. So,
गरीबी का
treatment होता
हल
है ये.
आप
Yes, yes.
शिक्षा के माध्यम से हो
Yeah.
सकता है।
So this education importance my father knew 50 years back. Then he experimented at home, and all of us, and mother gave all the, she was like a bank for us. And she used to give every time. We never knew this poverty and all that. Now only we know that. Otherwise, she used to give all money, whatever she was earning, to us comfortably. She never kept a single naya paisa for the next day. Whatever I was asking, like a millionaire's daughter, like, she used to just pay off. She used to ask me, you fly and go to the conference. So whenever I used to go to Tata Hospital and all, when I was a resident at Kidwai Hospital and lecturer, so she used to tell, you fly and go. She used to give me bundles, पैसा.
आपकी मदर बैंक थी आपके लिए, सारे पैसे का अरेंजमेंट वो किसी तरीके से कर लेती थी।
Yes, yes. Somehow she used to, and that shop was very famous. We used to earn quite a lot. Rosary people used to tell, like, Ratnama, you are doing very well as compared to them.
भगवान का आशीर्वाद भी रहा आप लोगों के साथ ना?
कृष्णा का, number 1 कृष्णा का.
Lord Krishna.
Lord Krishna. So I have built a Krishna Mandir at Banshankari, Bangalore, with my pension amount, because he has given me so much.
How nice. क्या बात है।
Lekin there is a village, for that village, this temple. First charity, something to the society I could manage.
बहुत कुछ, थोड़ा नहीं, बहुत कुछ मैनेज किया है आपने, अपनी कमाई से, अपनी सेवा से, अपने ज्ञान से, अपनी जानकारी, हर तरीके से आपने समाज को वापस देने का ही प्रयास किया है डॉक्टर देशमाने। लेकिन एक बात बताइए, डॉक्टर देशमाने, इस नाम के पीछे भी कोई कहानी है?
हाँ, पापा used to work only for the society, for us, family wise, he used to just guide. Moral support was there. Otherwise, he has grown up on the, I call him as a sarvagnya. He has grown up on the road. सो कभी भी रोड पर रहते थे एंड देर लॉट ऑफ वेलफेयर एक्टिविटीज ही मस्ट हैव डन इन द मिल, helped the women and all that those were in distress. Maybe that punya is there to come to this award and our central government
तो
has
आपका नाम
recognized
के
it.
पीछे क्या था, क्यों आपका नाम देशमाने रखा गया?
हाँ, so papa जी को people started calling him a Deshmane. So actual our name was Patedar, original surname. Some strips of lands were there, I believe,
जी,
in
जी.
the native place. Kobad,
जमीन
one
के
small
पट्टे.
village. Yeah, strips. So Patedar was our original. My uncle name is Patedar only. Surname.
Okay.
Father, no, people started calling him Deshmane. That continued, and we are with the Deshmane surname.
डॉक्टर देशमाने, यहाँ पर आपकी मेडिकल जर्नी की बात भी करना चाहूँगी। आज आपको कैंसर एक्सपर्ट माना जाता है। यू आर वन ऑफ द फेमस ऑन्कोलॉजिस्ट
Yeah.
ऑफ आवर कंट्री।
Yeah.
कैंसर को लेकर आपने बहुत काम किया है ना?
Yeah.
लेकिन आज एक सवाल दर्शकों के जहन में जरूर आ रहा होगा, जो हर एक के जहन में आता है कि जिस तरीके से कैंसर की तादाद बढ़ रही है, आंकड़े बढ़ रहे
I
हैं,
know.
क्या कारण और क्या एहतियात कि हम कैंसर से बच सकें?
Yeah. Again, the central government has made me the chairperson, IIIT Kottayam, Kerala, 2023. And this year they gave me the additional charge, IIIT DM Kurnool. So I was wondering, as a surgeon, what I can do in these technology institutes. But when I went first time for the inspection in Kurnool, there was a scholar sitting with the endometriosis paper, and he has patent with him. He showed me. I said, this is the place for my research, for the society. I lost my mother with ovarian malignancy long back.
It was an ovarian cancer.
Ovarian malignancy. She presented in a late stage. I lost my younger sister, one Nagratna. She was very famous social worker in Kalburgi. She was working in a corporation as a community affairs officer, Dr. Nagratna. So I lost her with the brain deposits 2023. So there is a thinking, that affected families should work for the cancer other than as an expert. So I decided to start the breast cancer and thyroid cancer, familial breast cancer and thyroid cancer projects in both the institutions, and very nice of them. My registers in both the institutions, they're like God. They have taken up, we have started the study. 2025, I want to collect the data. Familial breast cancer, familial thyroid cancer data is not available in India.
Oh.
So I'm collecting the data 2025, and with the AI integration, I want to go for the early detection of familial breast cancer and familial thyroid cancer, women diseases, curable. This is going to boost the economy of India. That's what I have planned.
Great plans, I must say. आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस का प्रयोग करके ब्रेस्ट कैंसर और वुमेन में जो कैंसर केसेस होते हैं उनको डिटेक्ट करना, अर्ली डिटेक्शन, ताकि उसका समाधान भी निकल सके. It's a great thought indeed.
And it is increasing because facilities are more to detect the cancers, and all our food, all preservatives that they use. Punjab, if you go, all packed food they eat. Punjab, there is a cancer train, because of their eating habits, packed food they eat. So environment is again number one. So our country now, during what I imagine is during Modi sir period, it will become a superpower. So superpower के साथ industry ज़्यादा हो जाता. Industry के साथ Dr. Kalam used to tell nothing goes without payment. So superpower के साथ like everything will be developed. Even the disease is going to develop. Maybe people like us, experts in oncology, especially surgical oncology, where we'll have a lot of dominancy in the field of cancer. So we should take up as a leaders and help the society at large, save the breasts of the patients and save the lives of the people, help the country maximum and forget without expectation.
I wish आपकी जैसी सोच हर डॉक्टर की हो, क्योंकि आजकल हम मानते हैं डॉक्टर एक पेशा बन चुका है, एक पैसा कमाने का पेशा। लेकिन आपके जैसे डॉक्टर्स जो निस्वार्थ भाव से सेल्फलेसली काम करते हैं, देश को ऐसे ही लोगों की ज़रूरत है। लेकिन अंत में आपसे एक सवाल ज़रूर पूछूंगी कि आप आज एक मशहूर डॉक्टर हैं, आज आप सेवा कर रही हैं, आप समाज सेवा भी कर रही हैं, आप ऐसी संस्थाओं के साथ, अभिलाषण जैसी संस्थाओं के साथ जुड़ी हैं, अनाथ बेटियों के साथ काम कर रही हैं, समाज को वापस बहुत कुछ दे रही हैं। लेकिन आपके जीवन में ये जो सफलता आपने अर्जित की है, इसके पीछे क्या मंत्र रहा है? व्हाट इज द मंत्र ऑफ सक्सेस फॉर यू एज अ डॉक्टर, एज अ सोशल वर्कर?
I go with the Gita. So Bhagwan Shri Krishna gives importance only to the karma. So there was no food, you know. I came to Kidwai in search of food. So God gave me the food. Then my duty is to work for the society. That is what I have done. And Kidwai, very beautiful center. Kidwai Cancer Hospital, number 2 in India. There, Dr. Krishna Bhargava was founder director. He was encouraging the women. So I started my career as a first resident, first surgeon I became. You know, everyone, even my department, they tolerated me as a surgeon. Male department, surgical.
तो आप ये मानते हैं कि गीता का जो मंत्र है कर्म योग,
कर्म योग,
is that the mantra of your success?
Yes, I go with that mantra. So I go with Krishna's ideas. I do the prachara. So only I have built the temple so that I can do the prachara of Krishna ideas, you know.
So you are trying to give back to the society at every level, at social level, at spiritual level.
Yes.
Also.
Spirituality is very much required for the surgeon. Oh, then only my wound will heal, which I have created.
देशपांडे, it is such a pleasure talking to you. मेरे को लगता है आपसे बहुत कुछ हासिल कर सकते हैं हम। लेकिन आज आप एक उदाहरण है, और जब हम ये कहते हैं कि हमारे वेद कहते हैं कि वैद्यो नारायणो नमः, यानी डॉक्टर्स भगवान समान हैं, आप एक ऐसी मूर्ति के रूप में हमारे सामने प्रस्तुत हैं जो वाकई इस वाक्य को चरितार्थ करती है अपने जीवन में।
Thank you so much.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद हमसे बात करने के लिए, और
धन्यवाद।
आपको पद्मश्री पुरस्कार की एक बार पुनः बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं।
Thank you so much. I again thank my government. Thank you so much. Thank you. Very beautiful day for us. Thank you.